Welcome to 11 Bayview Drive, a fantastic home in beautiful Swampscott. Come check it out.
Don't miss this incredible opportunity to live in a fantastic neighborhood in one of Swampscott's most desirable areas. Sitting on a quiet side street with water views, yet conveniently located just a short walk to restaurants, coffee shops, parks, and the beach, this home offers you tranquility without the sacrifice of convenience. Welcome to 11 Bayview Drive in Swampscott, Massachusetts. As you enter the home, you'll find a convenient entryway leading to the main living level. The large southeast-facing living room, featuring a wood-burning fireplace and built-in shelving, has fantastic natural light through its huge windows, 2 skylights and French doors that lead to a front porch with views of Nahant Bay. Homeowners love the adjacent large dining room, which has been great for hosting family gatherings, and it flows into the updated kitchen featuring stone countertops and stainless steel appliances. A fantastic screened-in porch, perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails, leads to the perfectly sized, flat, fenced backyard, a rarity in the neighborhood. A private office and a convenient half-bath round out the first level. All of the home's 3 bedrooms and its 2 full bathrooms, including a beautiful tiled stand-up master bath shower, are located on the 2nd level. Additional highlights include large closets and walk-up access to the home's attic. Enjoy walks along tree-lined streets with numerous bay and city skyline views. Walk to Fisherman's and Eisman's beaches, Phillips Park, the town green, or the public library. This location has it all, and it includes a convenient commuter rail station less than 2 miles away. Move into this turnkey property and enjoy a fantastic seaside community without sacrificing any convenience.
I'm Tom Sheehan of Compass. If you have any questions about this home, just give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Thanks.